This is our cabin.
It's lovely,
This
isn't
is
it?
9140, so we're on deck 9, and this is a deluxe balcony cabin. It's really, really bonny. I'm very impressed with the room so far. Very spacious, lots of room. Believe it or not, we've already got all of our equipage in here, and it's not filled up the room. So let's give you a little tour around, and we'll start with the bathroom. Yes, thank you. My glamorous assistant. So, coming into the bathroom, there's plenty of floor space. There is a clingy curtain.
It doesn't bother me that though.
It never bothers me. No, I've had it on various ships before. All of the Cunard ships have had it that we've been on anyway. But what it does mean is that when you're sat there, you're not restricted in any way for having legs pushed together. You can stretch out.
TMI. No?
Yeah, okay. Well, there's room to stretch around. Let's have a little peek in here. So, decent sized walk-in shower. Corner shower. Actually, it's pretty big. It doesn't look too bad. It probably looks smaller on here. I could take my big clumpy boots in and my body, and I'm in okay. Peek. What have we got down there?
Cupboard space.
Some cupboard space.
Yep.
Not a lot of top space at the top here, but still not bad. Some shelves all for bits and bobs. Soap dispenser.
And the all-important bottle opener.
A bottle opener.
In the bathroom.
Why?
Why? I don't know.
Okay. That's a thing. Toilet roll and towels and more towels and super flusher. Don't see any. Oh, yeah, there is some toiletries in there. We've got some. What have we got? Med by MSC fragrance, shampoo and shower gel.
Still no conditioner.
Still no conditioner. Yeah. You're not in Cunard now, love.
Oh, I know.
Look at that magic door with plenty of hooks on it and a wee peeky face. Coming out of there, we've got this cupboard here. We've got a couple of life vests and just this, fleecy blankets. Very nice, fleecy blankets. Information station. What have we put in there? There we have someone else's details.
Right, let's not show them.
No, let's not show them. You don't expect that. Loads of drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. Perfect. Close that. And what have we got over here?
Just a wardrobe space, which is quite nice.
Yeah, plenty of wardrobe space for 2 people.
Yeah.
You've got like massive suitcase there, which weighs a ton. Some more life jackets and some his and hers hiding space, I would say. Yep, mostly hers. Okay, coming to the main area now. So, our bed, which is really nicely decorated actually. I really like these colours. The blues are lovely.
It's like our house, we've got blues lights in our house.
Yeah, we've got the similar colours in our house. Bits and pieces there. I don't know, lots of switches for things about doing things, and I don't know. Don't see any USB in there at all. Some drawers that don't open. Awesome, that's quite cool. TV, it's just a little TV, but it fits in there quite nicely. What's in here? The minibar. Is it loaded?
Yeah,
it is loaded. Oh damn.
Oh dear.
You can ask your cabin steward just to get rid of all that though, if you like. Or sip away to your heart's content. And we've got some towels for the pool area, I believe. Yes. Pool and beach towel service.
Yeah.
A daily programme, which is nice to see. A lot of ships don't do that anymore, they only do the digital one. Now look at the size of this mirror. Full floor to ceiling mirror. very wide, which is really handy for me. Though I'm not sure when I wake up in the morning and see a reflection of myself, but we'll live with that.
You'll have to stand on the bed to see how you look.
Well, no, I could actually just stand at the end of the bed.
That's too close.
No, unfortunately not. So, now, we do have this. We've had this before. We've got an adjoining cabin. We sometimes get a lot of feed of noise through from there, but we'll see how that goes. So we've got in this area, Trace, we've got a phone.
What's a notepad?
A notepad.
Are you sure these drawers don't open?
They do, they probably,
do
just so they don't slide open when the weather's a bit choppy.
Yeah.
Aye. Yeah, we get to wrestle with that. Let's not fight too much with that. We do actually, which I've not noticed on MSC before, you're like, pretty sure. Get a kettle and some coffee. No tea.
Oh.
No tea.
Oh, well,
No tea, no tea.
sure.
Very
You
no
could
tea.
request that.
I'm sure you can. Or pinch it.
Yeah. Or
Oh,
pinch it.
thank you for your breakfast order. Loads of storage, certainly. Loads of drawers for the ones you can get into. Hair dryer.
You just got to pull it hard.
You have to really, really hurt it. Yeah, nice little seating area. Could easily have some breakfast around there, couldn't we? Yeah,
And I think we should.
I think we should. So the one thing we weren't expecting is this, a balcony. So, let's see how this works. What do you do? Ah, little toggle. Ooh, little hook there as well for something or other. Now this is quite cool, Trace. So there's sunny Southampton. Actually very wet and damp and drizzly Southampton.
It's very wet and horrible.
Drizzly Southampton, if you will. But we've got a bit of shelter above us. That's quite handy.
Yeah, that's quite handy actually, isn't it? Yeah.
And we're in from the sides a bit.
Yeah.
Right there. And the lifeboat's below us,
It's
so
also handy.
if it all goes,
Jump on.
if it all goes tits up, just woo into there. There you go. Just head onto that bit there. Yeah, that looks good. We'll call that option B.
Yeah.
So there you go. There's our wee tour of our cabin.
Very happy, yeah.
Cabin 9140. Unexpected upgrade, if you will. And couldn't be happier. It looks like a really nice room. I think we're going to be very comfortable in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to go and get unpacked. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.